my channel. So today I will tell you how can we improve our English fluency. So let's start. So the first is end your day with the English summary. When you do this, your vocabulary of thinking is increased. Before going to the bed, you will sit alone and think, what do you do in your whole day? So when you think it, change it into a summary or a paragraph. When you change it into a summary, you will think, what should I do? And what is this special for me today? When you are happy, when you are sad, just write on the diary or explain from your mouth. So this will help you to improve your vocabulary of learning English. So the next is practice your emotions like happy, sad, confused, excited. When you are sit free, when you sit empty, you will just sit and you will imagine you will happy. If you will happy, what do you do? On which topic you will happy? So, for example, when you sit free, say I am happy because I am going to the market. I am happy because my parents are gifted to me a new cycle, and anything you will imagine, you will happy. So this is the same for the sad and emotions on the situation. What you will do in your whole day so that you will happy and sad, confused, excited, any emotion you will feel in whole day. Just speak into the summary also. Argue with yourself. Choose a topic and debate on your own. You will speak both side of the topic. I like, for example, I like this a lot. Why I like this a lot? I disagree about this. Why I disagree about this? So you have to speak from the both side of the debate. It will make your vocabulary of speaking English and arguing is increased, and your fluency of English should be also increased. So the next is react aloud to the news and videos. When you see a news or a video, when you see it completely, so after that you will stop it and act about it. What do you see in the whole video and news? What they can do? What they will say to you? You will react to them. You all, I know you all are thinking this is a strange topic, but I like it too much, because when we react something in English, so it will, our vocabulary should be increased of learning English, and that's why I am speaking English a little bit fluency with you, so that I will want to speak English fluently, and I also want to speak English fluently and be a fluenter in English. That's why I'm standing here to share my talent with you and be a fluenter in English. So the next is, before going to the bed, explain your whole day into the summary and into the big one. What do? I wake up at that time. I do this so that I am happy to do this. I am sad to do this. What should I do in my day, unique one? So that's all you have to be speak before going to the bed. So our next is teach on imaginary students in English. When you are sit free, so you will do this thing. You imagine I am a teacher and I have to teach many students. Pick a topic: school, home, house, tuition, life, journey, and teach it about the students. So this is the most important part of the day. Teach. Imagine you are a teacher and explain it to all. Imagine you in the front of you there are many students and you have to teach them. And record your voice so that you will see what do you do, so that you will feel bad about it, and what do you do like mistake, so that you will listen your recording, and then you will improve your gaps and mistakes. So I am also telling you about my journey when I am starting learning about it. So when I am small, when I am 6 or 7 years old, I am starting to learn English, but I am very hesitate. I'm very hesitate. But now I am in this fifth standard, and I am improving my English with you. I want to do something new in my life, and I am doing this. I am learning English and speak in the front of you. I am not completely fluent in English, but I am trying to do my best. So that you all are supposed to write in the comments, what do you do to learn English? Is this trick benefit to you to stand in the front of your mirror? I am do this. I am standing in the front of in the front of my mirror, and don't hesitate, because there is no one in the front of your mirror. There is only your reflection in it. So this is benefit for you. So if you like this video, so may I know in the comment section. Like, subscribe and share. I am with you. Bye.